Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We are discussing the water soluble vitamins, that is the vitamin C and the B complex. In B complex, we have discussed B1, B2, B6, B12, nicotinic acid. Now we are discussing the pantothenic acid. In this lecture, we will discuss the sources of the pantothenic acid, the functions of the pantothenic acid, the deficiency symptoms, and the factors which can affect it. Pantothenic acid is present and available in almost all foods. Its deficiency is very rare. The cases will be discussed later on. Its rich sources are the eggs and liver. The functions of this vitamin are: it works against the depression and the low resistance against diseases. That is, it works to keep the mind or psychologically the human beings healthy and to keep the immune system active and effective against any infection or any other disease that can cause any harmful effect on the bodies. If it is deficient in the body, remember the deficiency symptoms are the depression and the less resistance to the diseases. That is, both for physical and mental growth it is required, and if it is deficient, both will be affected. Its deficiency can occur in few cases, such as the malnourished victims. Malnourished victims are those which are not getting sufficient food to eat for a very prolonged period of time, are the war prisoners. War prisoners are those which are provided a small amount of food to remain alive, are the experimental people, those people who are not provided with, who are not supplemented with this pantothenic acid. Its deficiency can occur in the experimental people, the war victims, the war prisoners, or the malnourished victims. The factors which are affecting this pantothenic acid, remember that it is quite stable at pH from 4 to 7, but around 50% of pantothenic acid is lost during processing. That is, its losses are higher at processing, while if it is kept at cool dark places, it will not be lost. If you have any question about pantothenic acid, you can ask us. Thank you.